Dear students, in this session, let us discuss about degradation of alkaloids. This is a very important step in elucidating the structure of the compound. It gives the information about certain identifiable product as well as known structure, and hence by knowing the changes during the degradation. The structure of the degraded products. From the structure of the degraded product, it is very easy to know the structure of the original molecule. There are various degradative reactions used in elucidating the structure of alkaloids, which are Hofmann exhaustive methylation method, amides degradation, von Braun's method, reductive degradation, alkali fusion, oxidation, dehydrogenation. But we are going to discuss about only Hofmann exhaustive methylation method. So this Hofmann exhaustive methylation method is used for opening the heterocyclic rings with the elimination of nitrogen to give aliphatic compounds. This method was first applied to the naturally occurring alkaloids by Wills Teller in 1870. Later it was developed by Hofmann, known as Hofmann's exhaustive methylation. So when the quaternary ammonium hydroxide are heated, they decomposed and water molecule is evolved. So hydroxide group from hydroxide and hydrogen atom from the carbon with respect to the nitrogen and nitrogen carbon linkage broke down to give an olefin. The quaternary ammonium hydroxide is obtained by the complete methylation of amine followed by hydrolysis with most oxide, stable oxide. So this is a general reaction what we can give for this quaternary degradation of quaternary ammonium with the quaternary ammonium hydroxide. This method is applicable to reduced ring systems such as piperidine. It fails with unsaturated compounds like pyridine, hence pyridine should be first converted into piperidine. The process of Hofmann exhaustive methylation can be explained with degradation of pyridine. So pyridine is first reduced by catalytic hydrogenation with excess piperidine. So which on treatment with excess of methyl iodide give quaternary ammonium iodide. Quaternary ammonium iodide on treatment with moist silver oxide or KOH gives quaternary ammonium hydroxide. This on heating loses a molecule of water with a cleavage of carbon-nitrogen bond on the side from which the hydrogen atom is eliminated. This process of methylation treatment with moist silver oxide and heating repeated on the product. When the nitrogen is eliminated as a triethylamine with the formation of water and unsaturated compound. So the compound is then isomerizes to become stable conjugated diene. So these are the overall step of degradation of pyridine. Pyridine on treatment with hydrogen in presence of nickel as a catalyst, it gives piperidine, which in presence of methyl iodide and gives methyl dimethyl piperidine oxide. In presence of moist silver, it gives dimethyl pyridinium hydroxide. This once again in presence of methyl iodide and silver oxide, it gives N-methyl piperidine. This N-methyl piperidine on heating, it gives piperidine. So in the elimination of molecule of water from quaternary ammonium hydroxide, hydrogen atom always eliminates from the position if it is not available at the reaction fails. For example, quinoline is degraded only when the one time by Hofmann exhaustive methylation method, and it is not possible to remove nitrogen from the product by this method. Thank you. However, the Hofmann method suffers from the defect that some compound, even though containing hydrogen atom, are not degraded by Hofmann exhaustive methylation. For example, tetrahydroquinolines. Thank you.